Good day, part 12 of this tutorial continues on part 11. Here we use a vText field to ask a user for input, thus creating a prompt. We bind some attributes of the vText field to state management. This ensures that they are dynamic and can be changed at runtime. In the property box, we bind an attribute to a state variable by prefixing that variable or state name with a colon. This text field needs to be shown when we want a prompt, so we set the vif directive for it. The vmodel specifies the state name to store the value of the text field on. By setting states, we define the state initial values. This happens when the layout is drawn on the page. The placeholder will be dynamic, including the hint also. In our page, when a button is clicked, the showPrompt method is called. This uses the defined layout we have seen to prompt a user for input. We assign a unique key to this prompt, called dialog age. We provide the label, hint, placeholder, and OK and cancel button texts. When the OK or cancel buttons are clicked on the prompt, a method on the pgindex code module is called. We use the unique key to determine which event called the prompt and then call getPromptValue to return what the user entered. After that, we call a subroutine of the calling module to further process the input prompt. In this example, this subroutine is named getAge. It receives the entered input, shows a warning when nothing is entered, or shows a green snack bar when something was entered. We run the application. We select our dialogs page. This will have activating buttons. The third button activates our prompt dialog as we have coded it. Just like we planned, 47 is entered, we show a green snack bar. In conclusion, calling showPrompt activated our prompt dialog with our own definition. We close part 12.